Hey, what's up, Anchor coin holders? Where are you? I never found you any video, my friends, and you are absolutely silent because you don't subscribe my channel and you only watch video and go. No, my friends, watch this video, enjoy this video, and also like this video. Subscribe ABS Tech channel for more updates and news. Stay connected with the ABS Tech channel for more this kind of fun and updates videos, my friends. Anyways, in this video I'm present with the Ankr coin urgent alert update, my friends. Absolutely, you already know about the today market is going crash. Completely fast down occur in every cryptocurrencies. Same like that, the Ankr coin is already fast down. So let's discuss the price changes of the Ankr coin. And people ask me questions about Ankr coin, so I will try to answer his questions in this video. Let's start the video, my friends. My friends, the first latest price update of the Ankr coin is that, and you can see here 0.09 USD dollar. 0.09 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Ankr coin in this time. And the market cap of Ankr coin you can see here. The 24 hours trading volume you can see here. Available supply of the Ankr coin you can see here. Total supply here. The all update is present on front of your eyes, my friends, so you can easily check it out. My friends, as I told you in the start of this video that now at this time the market is crash and the Ankr coin absolutely gone wrong, my friends. The whole changes at this time occurs in the Ankr coin is going negative. Last 1 hour price changes is a negative. Last 24 hours price change is a negative, and last 1 week price change is also negative. This means that the price of Ankr coin is falls down. The price is going down, not upward. So people ask me question that when will the price pump? My friends, at this time we can't say about the future, but at this time my prediction is that I think that they have no idea to take a pump to the next 1 day, 2 days. And after 2 days, there is a chances to the price will pump after 2 days. So you have to hold, be alert and be safe from loss. If you decide to sell on this price Ankr coin, so absolutely you will get a loss. And if you hold, so there is a chances to the price pump and you will get profit. Don't do this mistake at this time and don't decide to sell, because now this time the market is completely fast down and absolutely you will lose if you sell at this time. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.